KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. It's going to be a stellar weekend. Sweater weather during the day, fireplace, fire pit weather at night. And as we head into next week, if it's too chilly for you, we have some 70s coming back. So we'll ease you into the winter weather over the next couple of months. Temperature-wise this morning, upper 30s to lower 40s across the area. 40 was the official low in Lafayette. We got up to 60 though this afternoon. Didn't feel like it with that north breeze. And now we're starting to settle down back into the low to mid 40s, heading for probably subtract another 8 or 10 degrees off the numbers you see here up toward Alexandria, maybe down to about 29 or 30 tonight, and the rest of us will favor mid 30s. And with diminishing winds and clear skies, you can see the skies are so clear. All the lakes that you see across Texas showing up nicely this evening. That means 1, the water temperature here is warmer, and 2, the skies are crystal clear, and you see that waning gibbous moon outside as well. Nice clear skies. That means it's probably going to get frosty by tomorrow morning. High pressure large and in charge over eastern Texas. That gradually works its way eastward throughout the weekend, keeping us nice and cool. Some high clouds from time to time, but that's about it. And as we progress into next week, it looks like a little bit of a frontal trough works its way on through. I didn't even draw it on the map because we're actually going to be milder behind that frontal system. And then as we get into the middle part of the week, it's going to get warmer and warmer out ahead of another frontal system. And it's going to get here, looks about Friday into Saturday. Model's still at odds on when it's going to get here, but we're going to have to raise the rain chances. Not so much on Thursday, but going into Friday and then Saturday, because there's going to be another disturbance that comes on through. We have a front that moves northward and then eventually pushes on through. So if we're lucky, we get next Sunday is a nice day, but timing could change down the road. And we start off Thanksgiving week on a cool note. Question is, will it stay cool for Thanksgiving? And right now we're thinking milder, maybe some showers, but we'll really get closer to addressing that as we get into the 10-day period, and that comes next week. Tonight, though, we do know it's going to be chilly out there, near freezing, Opelousasville Platte on northward, so make sure the tender vegetation is covered, and those frosty conditions will push down to the I-10 corridor as well. Even at 34 degrees, easy to make a frost if your winds are less than 2 or 3 miles an hour, and the same down through Abbeville, perhaps Kaplan and New Iberia and Lake Arthur. A little bit milder down along the coast, but nonetheless protect the tender vegetation. Then a nice warm up tomorrow, upper 50s to near 60, a degree or 2 cooler in the northern parishes, right near 60, or I've got Lafayette going up to 61 tomorrow afternoon. The same at New Iberia, and lower 60s along the coast. Tomorrow night, another frosty one potentially, so you're going to have to put the visqueen or the sheets back out on the plants once again. Right near freezing, Opelousasville Platte on northward, and low to mid 30s. It looks like almost a repeat of the numbers that we see for tonight, and much the same down along the coast as well. You get the idea. Lower 60s for highs, low to mid 30s for lows. That's the way it's going to be tomorrow. Mostly in the 50s tomorrow. We briefly hit 60 or 61 degrees, and that chilly one again tomorrow night. So patchy frost as we head into Saturday morning, Sunday morning as well. Maybe even a better frost Sunday morning. But then warming up as we get into next week, back into the 70s by midweek, and then eventually some rain chances. And one of those days, Friday and or Saturday, those rain chance numbers will go up once we have a better defined feel for what system's coming on through and how it's going to come on through. But nice looking forecast. Great weekend. It feels like winter out there, and with the sunshine, makes it feel that much better.
We had that gloomy day this week, and I just didn't want to even leave the house.
I know, exactly. You know? And now the sunshine's here for the weekend.
It'll be nice. Thanks, Rob.